Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if you can open multiple accounts with BluPeak. Yes, you can open multiple accounts with BluPeak Credit Union. Having multiple accounts can be a great way to manage different financial goals, such as separating your savings for a down payment on a house from your everyday spending account. For example, you could have a primary checking account for daily transactions, a separate savings account for long-term goals, and a different account specifically for a car fund. This helps you track your progress and avoid accidentally using money from one goal for another. To open additional accounts, it's best to contact BluPeak directly or visit one of their branches. They can guide you through the process and help you choose the right accounts to fit your specific needs. They can also provide you with information on any limits or requirements for additional accounts. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.